Hello beauties, and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to be here today, and it is now 2020 and this is my first video of the year. And in this video I'm going to be covering what you should be avoiding if you want to clear your skin. So these are 6 things that you should be considering or avoiding if you want to clear your skin, if you haven't been able to clear your skin. These are 6 things that might be preventing you from clearing your skin. So the first thing that I want to cover is I want to cover acne very quickly. We know that acne is overproduction of dead skin that is building up in the pore, and then with the combination of oil, they come together and they form a paste inside the pore, and it's not able to come out. It either turns into a whitehead, a blackhead, or if it's red, then it's stuck under the skin and there's inflammation, bacteria growing. So this is what's going on with acne. I just wanted to do a quick refresher in case this is your first time here and you have never watched any of my videos. By the way, my name is Karina. I am the esthetician at Bare Glow, and I specialize in skin concerns such as acne, pigmentation, sensitive skin, and aging. And I have been doing this for the past 10 years. So let's get right into it. What are the 6 things that you should be avoiding if you haven't been able to clear your skin or if you want to clear your skin? The first thing is going to be pore clogging ingredients. So I have made a video about this before, and I will link it in the description and it will be up here. And this is going to be ingredients in your makeup, in your body products, in your hair products. So anything that could run into your face. Then if you're touching your face and you use lotion, if you're using makeup, if your hair products, you wash your hair, it could run into your face as well. All those products, you are going to want to check them for pore clogging ingredients. In the description below, I will also list a link where you could get this list of pore clogging ingredients. It will have a list of all these ingredients that are known to be pore clogging, and you'll be able to compare your list with your products and make sure that none of these products have these ingredients, because these ingredients are going to add, like we talked about earlier, you have a plug in your skin, and when you are adding more of these ingredients, it's just making that worse. Or even if your pores are somewhat congested and then you're adding pore clogging ingredients, it's just going to cause congestion inside the pore, and you're never going to have that smooth skin that you really want or that you're looking for. So this is the number 1 tip for you. Second tip is going to be makeup brushes, facial tools, anything that you're using on your face that's not an actual product. So if you're using, for example, the cleanser, the ultrasonic cleanser, the any tools that you're using on your face, makeup brushes, you want to make sure that you are cleansing them correctly after. All these are products or tools that could build bacteria in it. So, and that if you have oil or bacteria in it and you have buildup of pore clogging ingredients, anything that's on this tool is going to be touching your skin, and it could be preventing you from clearing. So you either want to avoid them while you're clearing, or you want to make sure that they are super clean. My number 3 tip is going to be your phone. I was gonna grab my phone, but I'm actually recording with it. So your phone screen is the number 3. You want to make sure that you're disinfecting it, that you're cleaning it on a daily basis. If you have hand sanitizer, just grab a little bit of it, rub it, wipe it down, spray, alcohol spray, however you want to clean it, but you want to make sure that you are cleaning it, because that screen is so dirty and you are getting all that bacteria and all that on your face. And it's just, if you're breaking out and you put it here and then you put it here, you're just spreading bacteria all over your face. So make sure that you are cleaning your phone screen. My number 4 tip is going to be fabric softener. I know a lot of people don't think of this or don't even consider this as one of the things that could be clogging their pores, but fabric softener actually has that really soft touch to clothes, and part of this is going to be it has like a waxy residue that it leaves on the clothes to make it feel that soft and make the clothes very soft, and that could actually be clogging your pores as well, just like pore clogging ingredients. And that could be making you break out in your back if you're working out and you stay with clothes and your pores have opened up. So you could be getting breakouts any part of your body because of your fabric softener. You also have to remember the one place where you spend the most time of your day, which is going to be on your pillow, and that is going to be a place that you spend at least 5 if you don't sleep a lot, or 8 to 10 hours, 12 hours if you sleep a lot. You're spending a lot of time on the pillow, so make sure that you are not using fabric softener on that. And if you're breaking out on your body, make sure that you just skip the fabric softener on your clothes. That brings me to my 5th and 6th tip, because you want to avoid this fabric softener in these products I mentioned, pillowcases, and also in your towels that you're using to dry your face. So for your pillowcase, like I said earlier, you're spending a lot of time on it, so you want to make sure that you're either sleeping on your back, which a lot of people are already trained to sleep some other way, or you might toss and turn in the middle of the night. But if you are resting your face on the pillow, you want to make sure that you're not using fabric softener and that you're switching out your pillowcases often. I was also contacted by a company called Silvan to do a review on their pillow, which came perfect timing for this video. And this is actually an alternative to always switching out your pillowcases, or for you to be able to use it longer. And it also gives you the option to not have to replace it as often. So Silvan has a special technology, a silver technology woven into the threads of the pillow, and silver is an antibacterial, so it's going to prevent bacteria from growing on your pillow, which means that you don't have to worry about the bacteria from your face going on your pillow and growing and you infecting your face by using the same pillow. So this is a great option. I have heard of other pillowcases, but only have a limited amount of washes. With Silvan, it's for the lifetime of the pillow. You don't have to replace it because the silver is actually woven into the threads of the pillow. Okay, so I wanted to give you guys one final tip. This is a pillow where you would be laying your head, and I want to show you how you could flip it so that you could use the same pillowcase for about 4 days. So you would first rest your head on this side, and then you're gonna turn it, rest your head on this side. So you use this side, then this side, and then you're gonna turn it to the other side, and then you will rest your head on this side, and then we will turn it again, and then this side. So that's a way to be able to use your pillow more than 1 day. So if you are still struggling clearing your skin, I have listed, like I said, the pore-clogging ingredient list below. I also listed the 6-week clear skin routine, so if you want to try out this routine, it's listed in the link below. I hope this video has been helpful. Please make sure that you like this video so that it could go out into the YouTube universe and other people could find it. And make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you're notified when the next video comes out. Hit the bell, if not you will not get notified. And till next time, make sure that you're taking good care of your skin today, because your future self will thank you.